The cabin air filter, also known as the AC filter, in your 2022-2024 Mitsubishi Outlander plays a crucial role in maintaining clean air inside your vehicle. This rectangular filter traps harmful contaminants like dust, pollen, mold, and exhaust fumes that would otherwise enter through your vehicle's HVAC system. Measuring about 8 by 6 by 1 inches, the filter is located behind the passenger side glove box, not under the hood like engine air filters in some vehicles. Regular replacement of this filter improves cabin air quality, prevents clogs in your heating and cooling system, and maintains efficient airflow throughout the vehicle. When the filter becomes clogged, it can increase your vehicle's energy use by 10 to 15% and may cause unpleasant, musty odors in the cabin. The original equipment manufacturer part number for this filter is MZ690117. For enhanced protection against allergens and viruses, consider upgrading to a high-efficiency particulate air or HEPA filter.